Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this, create, I'll just use another video actually. Create this red halation filter. To do that, copy and paste your video, and you're going to select the effects section here and you're going to search for blur, and you're just going to, okay, why am I in filters? Sorry, go to effects and search for blur. I have it here, so I'm just going to select that. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I'm then going to select the video separately. If I can just do that. Go to adjustments, go to curve, scroll down to the red one, and you're just going to do the same thing that I'm doing. I'm going to make it a little bit more red though. Go to filters and type in Gourmet 2. Select it and add it on top of the overlay. And then you're just going to select this video right here, go to videos, go to blend mode and go to the overlay opacity, and you're just going to adjust it a little bit like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!